This is the SP34NE, a compact and maneuverable self-propelled boom lift from Niftylift. Its efficient battery power system and all-electric drive delivers clean, quiet operation from a maneuverable narrow aisle chassis. The SP34NE's compact dimensions make it ideal for working in a wide range of environments, but it's particularly well suited to industrial locations, such as factories and warehouses, where narrow aisle operation is required. Driven from the basket, it can be moved quickly from one location to the next. Super efficient all-electric drive motors provide power and great ability, which, together with a compact turning radius, make maneuvering easy, especially where ground space is restricted. Its impressively low overall weight helps to minimize ground disturbance during use. Coupled with emission-free battery power means it can operate on a wider range of ground surfaces and helps to reduce running costs. This low weight, coupled with its compact dimensions, can also reduce transportation costs, as a smaller, more efficient site-to-site transportation vehicle can be used. The SP34NE's impact-resistant second-generation tough cage basket can accommodate 2 people and their tools. Fully proportional controls deliver smooth, measured operation, while a telescopic upper boom allows for precise positioning anywhere in its impressive working envelope. The SP34NE utilizes a super-efficient battery power system with all-electric drive. This allows the batteries to work for far longer than traditional battery-powered machines, so more work can be completed on a single charge and running costs reduced. Every SP34NE manufactured since the 1st of January 2020 is now fitted with Nifty as standard. Nifty is a powerful digital analytics tool that provides valuable data insights on your machine's health, activity, and location. The SP34NE also features onboard diagnostic screens at both base and basket, giving owners and users more information than ever before to help identify faults and assist with maintenance activities. No setup is required, so it can be driven from one work position to the next in any boom position, saving time and improving efficiency during tasks. Operating the SP34NE is easy. After turning the base key switch to the basket position, simple-to-use, fully proportional levers control all boom movements. By simply raising or lowering the levers, while pressing and holding the green power button or foot pedal, the user can easily and accurately move each boom individually or together to position the basket. As well as the controls in the basket, there are also controls at the base. These provide a safety backup for the user and also allow the booms to be raised from the ground for security or maintenance purposes when the machine is not in use. The user simply turns the base key switch to the base position and then activates the levers in the same way as the basket controls. There is a red E-stop near every green power button on the machine. This allows the machine to be stopped quickly from either the base or the basket in the event of an emergency. Every Niftylift incorporates check valves on all hydraulic cylinders to ensure that, in the unlikely event of a hose failure, the machine will remain safely in position until the user activates the controls. Fail-safe brakes ensure that the machine's base will not move unless under operation. And a tilt alarm sensor will notify the user, preventing use if a slope greater than its safe operational limit is detected. The SP34NE features Niftylift's multi-award-winning Sustained Involuntary Operation Prevention System, or SIOPS. SIOPS instantly stops all machine functions if the user is pushed onto the cage control console by an obstacle, preventing serious injury. The SP34NE also comes with a manual hand pump at the base, which, when used in conjunction with the function controls, allows the machine to be safely lowered to the ground even without power. With maintenance-free batteries, pins and bushes, durable hydraulic hoses, and only a few easy-to-access grease points to service, maintaining the SP34NE is quick and simple. So that's the SP34NE. Its compact, narrow-aisle chassis and efficient all-electric power system reduce running costs while delivering significantly extended single-charge operation. This, coupled with its market-leading performance and zero-emission operation, make it ideal for working in factories and warehouses or anywhere that ground space is restricted.